Yo, what's up guys, my name is Fardeen. Welcome to my channel Strange Edit. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a Dreamy look video, and this is very special video because I'm not using any plugin. So let's jump into Premium Pro. So look at that, I have one clip on here. So let's drag and drop in the timeline. Click on the clip and first create a new clone clip. Press Alt and drag and drop upper side. Okay, so click on the first clip and go to Effect Controls and change the blending mode on the darken. Okay, then click on the bottom clip, search on the effects blur, Gaussian blur, and drag and drop the Gaussian blur on the bottom clip. So and go to Gaussian blur effect, increase the blurriness approx 15%. Okay, so look at that, it's looking like a dreamy look video. Let's play this video. Look at that, it's looking like a very dreamy look video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like this video, and don't forget to subscribe this video and share it on your friends. So keep creative.